Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Jordan and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle type videos, and it would mean the absolute world to me if you stuck around and subscribe to my channel. BH Cosmetics tends to have a lot of sales going on, and they had a really good sale going on at the time, so I decided to treat myself. So basically this is just an unboxing video. I'm going to show you guys what I bought as well as some swatches and first impressions. Really quick before we get into this video, make sure to follow all my social media. I'll have them linked down below as they always are. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Very excited. I got a couple things, so let's just open it right up. Packages are so fun because it feels like Christmas. To be honest, I never order online because I'm always so impatient for it to come in, but that's just me. But then when it comes in, it's so exciting. I can't be trusted with scissors. I honestly feel like I'm gonna rip. Oh, okay. Got it open. There's a card. It says, "Thanks for shopping. Have a happy new year." So this is just a little card they gave me, and it has a 2018 on it, which is cute. So yeah, I ordered this in 2017 and just got it now. There's a lot of paper and wrapping. Oh yes, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you guys can't hear me anymore, it's because my freaking heater just turned on, but I'm not gonna stop filming, so sorry if you can't really hear me. So the first thing that I got, I'm so excited about, is the Studio Pro palette. It has 42 shades, I believe. Just came in this little container like so, and then this is the back. It just shows you all the shades. And so this is what the palette looks like from the outside. Simple and chic. Shoot, this is real nice. Okay, there's a lot of really nice colors in here, and colors that I don't usually wear, so I'm so excited to experiment. But basically this has 42 shades. They have metallics, mattes, shimmers, and duochromes, and I've really only ever used mattes and shimmers, so I'm excited to try the metallics and duochromes. So these are just all the colors that come in the palette. Really beautiful. You have a great range of colors, so you can make like endless different eye looks with it. I especially am like really into this purple because it's so bright. I just swatched this and it literally just glided on. And it's so pigmented. What the heck? Okay, so this is how it looks like when I just literally just like swatched a tiny little bit. I'm just gonna swatch a bunch and then show you all at once. I'm literally so shocked right now. These are so nice. These are what my fingers look like. See how like creamy and pigmented they are? I can't even get over it. This is what the swatches look like just from the few that I swatched. I'm not gonna lie, the purple was a little bit spotty and it didn't come out as pigmented as I thought, but I definitely think it's buildable. And this blue color I'm literally in love with. So I could definitely swatch all of these for you, but it would take me forever and we'd never get through this video. For now, my first impression is that these colors are beautiful. They're so creamy. I feel like they're going to be really blendable, and I cannot wait to try out a ton of different eye looks with these. It was extremely affordable. This was on sale and I think I got it for 13 or 14 bucks, and I think it's originally like 22 or 25, so I'm just really excited about this. When I was placing my order, if you spent 25 bucks or more on the website, which is really easy to do, you got a free extra palette, and that's what really like sold me because I love free makeup. This is the little free palette it came with. It's the Midnight Affair 16 color eyeshadow palette. So it just looks like this. These are colors that I never wear. I do not own a lot of purple shades, so I was super intrigued by this palette, especially because it was free. They are a little smaller than I expected, I'm not gonna lie. They look bigger in the picture, but these colors are gonna be beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch a couple colors on my forearm just so you and I can both see it. Okay, I see you, BH Cosmetics. I see you. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna be loving this for sure. These are just the colors that I swatched. I think these are gonna be really nice. Again, I think they're gonna definitely come up a little more pigmented once they're on my eyelids and I have primer on and stuff. It is nice though because it does come with a little mirror, and it's super small, so it's compact and really easy to travel with if I ever wanted to bring it on a trip with me or something. The next thing I have to show you guys is a lipstick. So I just got the Cream Luxe lipstick in the shade Charmed. So it just comes in this little black box. It kind of reminds me of the MAC packaging. This looked like a really nice like pinky nude color online. Okay, yeah. I definitely really like this. I hope that I like this on my lips with my skin tone. This is just what it looks like. I'm trying to grow my like pink kind of lips collection. So I thought this would be a good one to pick up. I got everything on sale and I think this was only like $1.50 on sale, which like, can you really go wrong? So this last thing that I'm opening is something that I'm probably most excited for, and it is just a brush set. So I just got a rose gold brush set because you guys know how much I love rose gold, you know? So I got a 12-piece brush set with a cosmetic case. Ooh. So this is just the packaging. This is the little cosmetic case it comes with, and it has a rose gold zip. It's safe to say I'm obsessed with rose gold. I have like a 5 or 6 piece brush set from Sephora, which I really like, but I've never had like a full set. Let's just take a moment right now. Look at, I love them. I love them. Simply amazing. I'm just like feeling them just to see how soft they are. These are extremely soft, guys. So like I said, it comes with 12 brushes. These are the brushes. First impression, obviously I haven't used them, but they feel really soft and they look really pretty. And in my book, that's a win-win. So I would say thumbs up to these for first impressions. So that was my unboxing BH Cosmetics haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy unboxing videos / makeup videos in general, make sure to let me know down below and I'll do more of those. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the endless support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm gonna be eternal.